I'm so excited. I purchased the GoPro 7. Hey Instagram, so I'm excited. I got off work early today. I have to handle some business, but right now I'm about to go handle this Olive Garden. I'm about to eat. Okay, so I'm here at Olive Garden about to eat this yummy super pascano. I had them add an extra lot of, a whole bunch of cheese, extra lot. What is that? A whole lot of cheese, a whole bunch of cheese. My water and my yummy breakfast. Okay, so I'm full. This is my water right there. I'm full and I have lunch for either tomorrow at work or dinner for tonight packed up in that bag. I have to go to Best Buy. So just entered Best Buy. And I wasn't greeted. There was a man just sitting there, but I guess I didn't need to be greeted today. Whatever. I don't even know where I'm supposed to be going. Let me look for it. Oh, here I go. Here we go. What's this one? Sony? I might have to not get the GoPro and get the Sony. So many different options. What are these? $149.99. Instant film camera. And this is instant film camera. What's the difference? They have the same name. And this one's $99.99. Oh, those cases and stuff like that. I need somebody to help me. Does she work here? I don't think so. Oh, it looks like I found somebody. Excuse me. Can you help me? Can you help me over here?
It depends what area.
I'm looking for a camera. I just need somebody to help me.
Do you know what camera it is? Or
well, I'm looking for the GoPro and I don't see it here.
This section here, the accessories are going to be down there.
Oh, okay.
What you're looking for? Or?
GoPro 7. The Hero. Oh, that's the one that's $199. Is that? It said it was $179 online.
This one then?
Yeah, so it can be underwater. Now, do you know anything about these cameras? Who works this? Is there a manager that can help me? Because nobody even greeted me when I came in here. And nobody can seem to help me.
Yeah, I don't work in this department, so I don't know anything about it. But who do we have in the DI right now?
Ugly, but nobody wanted to greet me when I came in. Nobody wanted to help me. People keep saying they don't work this section. We'll go get a manager. They work this section.
Do pretty much whatever you want with that GoPro as well.
So okay, so it's good for YouTube and Instagram and okay, yeah.
Which one did you want to get? Did you want to get the silver or white?
The white, I guess.
Okay, let's do it.
I appreciate your help because I couldn't find anybody to help me. Nobody greeted me when I came in. And everybody that I stopped, they said, this is not my section. So then I said, okay, well, find me a manager. I'm pretty sure the whole store is their section. Like, I'm kind of over it.
Yeah, I'm sorry. So I'm supposed to be over here. Except the guy that's back there, he called out. So I was like,
oh, okay.
With those people. I'm sorry about that experience.
Yeah. $193.04. So excited I'm about to have my camera, although I can't type until I get that SD card. But and I did get the white one, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right, thank you.
It is all the way up at the front to the left. No problem. There you go.
All right, thank you so much. And receipt. Okay, thank you. Yay, I'm so excited. I got my GoPro. I got my freaking GoPro. Okay, so I'm so freaking excited. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I'm so excited. Look, I have the GoPro. Sorry, I just needed to let that out. I have the GoPro Hero 7 in white. It's the underwater camera for YouTube. I'm so excited. I've been wanting this forever, y'all. Oh my gosh, dreams do come true. I'm so excited. Y'all gonna get better footage from me now. Better quality. I'm gonna be doing some all type of things. Just hold on. Sit still, wait for me. Got my GoPro. Ew. Altogether, it was just $193.04 for the GoPro. I'm so freaking happy. Oh my gosh, you don't even understand. I got the white one like I wanted. Yay. As always, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Make sure that you click the subscribe button, like, comment, and share all of my YouTube videos. Oh, and by the way, if you haven't entered my giveaway, please make sure you do. I'm giving away 2 free wedding bands. You heard me, 2 free wedding bands on December 1st. Until next time, bye!